In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make edit button L3 on Fortnite. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings here, as you can see, so go into settings. And now on settings, what we need to do in here is to just scroll, as you can see. So keep scrolling until you get to controller mapping right here, as you can see. So the first step is going to be for us to actually change these presets to custom right here. So before you probably had Builder Pro as an example, but you need to change it to custom right here and then just click on this triangle button right here to be able to apply, or you will be able to see exactly what type of button you need to click on to be able to save your settings. And then we're just going to scroll down here, keep scrolling down until you get to edit building right here, as you can see. So click on this one right here, and now you can press any button. So to be able to make it L3, we need to of course click on this button. So click on this button, just hold like this, as you can see, and then it should now be L3. There is a couple of more settings we need to check though, so I'm just going to go up here and show you. So keep going up until you get to switch mode right here. So click on this one. And actually you can see there's like a circle right here. You need to actually click on circle right here. You need to remove this completely. And then of course don't forget to click on triangle once again to apply the settings. And then we are going to scroll down in here, and the switch mode, this one cannot be the same button as edit, just so you know. So actually have this like whatever button that you want to be able to have, just not the same as the edit button, of course. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to do this.